The David Street House by Murray Legge Architecture is a striking example of thoughtful design nestled in the heart of central Austin. The project began as a collaborative venture between two families who purchased a sizable property and divided it into two narrow lots, each reserved for a future home. One of these lots became the canvas for the home envisioned by a young creative couple who, along with their two small children, sought a modest yet functional dwelling. Their vision was clear. They wanted a house with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and expansive living spaces that opened up to private outdoor areas, offering both comfort and privacy in the midst of a bustling urban environment. Inside, the ground floor plan is an open, interconnected series of spaces, arranged around a central stair and utility core. This core anchors the home, acting as a functional hub around which daily life revolves. Rather than using traditional walls to separate rooms, the architects employed custom Douglas fir cabinetry to define different zones within the open layout. These cabinets delineate the kitchen, study, living, and TV room, while the continuous ceiling above them maintains the feeling of a large, unified space. This clever design maximizes both function and flow, allowing the family to move effortlessly through the house while still enjoying distinct spaces for various activities. Situated near a major university, the site presented both opportunities and challenges. The family needed privacy, yet they wanted to maintain strong connections to the outdoors. The house was strategically positioned on the lot to create a private side yard, functioning as an extension of the living area. This side yard would offer a sanctuary from the busy neighborhood, a peaceful space for the children to play and the family to gather, shielded from the external hustle and bustle. A front wall further enhances privacy, forming a quiet courtyard off the front rooms, providing a tranquil retreat while protecting the family from street views. The architectural design itself is a masterclass in balancing openness with enclosure. The home is a solid mass at first glance, but its form has been thoughtfully carved to create shaded, recessed areas that connect the indoors to the outdoors. These deep openings invite natural light into the living spaces, while also offering a sense of intimacy and protection from the elements. The backyard features a tectonic screen porch, a light and airy structure that contrasts with the solid front of the house, blending beautifully with the surrounding landscape while providing additional outdoor living space. The architects also paid careful attention to maximizing natural light on the second floor, employing pop-ups on the roof to bring daylight into the bedrooms. These elevated sections of the roof add height and interest to the otherwise modestly sized rooms, creating a sense of spaciousness without adding unnecessary square footage. The result is a series of light-filled, airy bedrooms that feel both cozy and expansive at the same time. The second floor is dedicated to the family's private spaces, housing all 3 bedrooms. These rooms are linked by a bridge that overlooks the kitchen below, creating an engaging connection between the floors. Each bedroom enjoys direct access to an exterior patio or deck, ensuring that the outdoor spaces are just as integrated into the upper level as they are on the ground floor. This design allows the family to step outside and enjoy the fresh air without having to descend to the main level, adding to the home's overall sense of openness and connection to nature. One of the most striking features of the home is the internal light well, a vertical shaft of daylight that pierces through the center of the house. This unexpected feature floods the core of the home with natural light and visually connects the 2 floors, creating a sense of openness and verticality that contrasts with the more intimate, grounded spaces on the ground level. The light well not only brightens the home but also serves as a subtle architectural gesture that ties together the different levels of the house. Ultimately, the David Street House is a testament to the power of creative design in an urban setting. By carefully considering the needs of the family and the constraints of the site, Murray Legge Architecture was able to create a home that feels spacious and private, while still maintaining a strong connection to the outdoors. This blend of functionality, privacy, and openness is what makes the house a true architectural gem, offering a peaceful retreat in the heart of a vibrant neighborhood.